Whispers in the dark. The enigmatic little brown bat. The little brown bat, scientifically known as Myotis lucifugus, is a fascinating North American mammal with a vast distribution, stretching from Alaska to Labrador and Newfoundland in Canada, and southwards to regions like Southern California, northern Arizona, and northern New Mexico in the USA. Before the devastating arrival of white nose syndrome, or WNS, in 2007, the population of the little brown bat was estimated to be over 6 million. Although, as of 2006, it was observed that the northeastern core population was relatively stable or even slightly increasing, the spread of WNS has cast a grim shadow on their future. This deadly disease has led to mortality rates as high as 90% in some hibernation sites, and current scientific evidence suggests a dire fate for the species, with a 99% probability of functional extinction in the northeastern U.S. by at least 2026, if not sooner. Little brown bats are incredibly adaptable creatures that can be found in a variety of habitats. They typically inhabit forested lands near water sources, but certain subspecies have adapted to drier climates where water isn't as readily available. They feed predominantly on aquatic insects like caddisflies, mayflies, and midges, occasionally dining on mosquitoes. In North America, it's common to spot these bats flying around houses. During the winter, their hibernation period varies based on location and altitude of the roosts, typically spanning from September to November and lasting until March to May. Unlike some migratory species, these bats travel only up to 100 miles to find their hibernation roosts. Little brown bats are known to form large colonies, sometimes numbering up to 300,000 bats in a single roost. Their ability to find food and adapt to various roosts contributes to their longevity, with lifespans ranging from 6 to 7 years, and some individuals living well beyond a decade. Despite their resilience, little brown bats face a number of significant threats. White nose syndrome, a fungal disease affecting hibernating colonies, has wreaked havoc on eastern North American bat populations since its emergence in 2007. Wind turbines also pose a growing threat, causing fatalities when bats collide with the spinning blades. Research is ongoing to better understand these vulnerabilities, but the greatest risk to these bats appears to be during migration from summer foraging sites to winter hibernacula. Additionally, their tendency to inhabit areas close to humans, such as attics and roofs, has led to costly efforts to remove them. Conservation efforts focus on managing natural hibernacula to encourage bat use, such as closing but not sealing entrances to abandoned mines to create suitable conditions and reduce human disturbance. To protect these bats, it's crucial to avoid entering hibernacula during the winter hibernation period, except for approved and permitted management, surveillance, or research activities. These measures are vital to ensure the survival of this species in the face of formidable threats.